Alright, well today I am reviewing this impact wrench from Alloyman tools. Not something I normally do on my channel, but I do all my own repairs on my cars, and I've got a lot of tools, but one I haven't had is a cordless impact. So when these guys reached out, I said, yeah, send it to me. Send me this impact, I'll put it to use, do a review video on it. So here we go. It is the middle, it's actually Thanksgiving Day, and I'm gonna do some sway bar links on my daughter's car, and let's bust this thing out. Let's put it to use. All right, well, let's open this bad boy up and see what we get. All right, inside instruction manual. You got the impact, 20-volt battery pack, and the charger. I've already charged this thing up, and I did notice it has different settings, so you can turn this thing on and cycle through all of the low, medium, and high, which that's kind of nice. So adjustable torque, and then you also have a battery indicator light.
That's amazing.
Yeah, all while I'm working on her car. Comes with a couple of socket extensions, actually 3 of them. I like that. Comes with short, medium, and long socket extensions. It comes with some sockets. So each socket, they have a pin with it and an O-ring to keep the pin in place so that you could pin it onto the socket, onto the impact, I guess. Got 19 millimeter, 22 mil, 20, 17, 21, and 18. Alright. I'm just going to use the socket I already have out. Now, it's got those chrome caps on them, and these have not been off in quite a long time. Alright. Just pulling her off. Is taken off all 4 of those. I'm going to leave this one. I'm going to do that with my T-wrench and compare it to what this impact was able to do. Yeah, so it definitely took a good amount of torque to hit it off with a T-wrench. Put it in clockwise for a second. Does not want to come off. We're on low. Let's try medium. Oh, there we go. Okay. On high. Oh, yeah, that got him. I assume that was speed, not power, but yeah, that broke him loose real quick. I didn't know that was the power adjustment. I thought it was the speed. Alright, we got that sway bar link replaced. Put our lug nuts back on. And we'll use our impact to get them down, and now that we're on high setting, I might have to be a little careful as to how tight we put those. put it on plenty tight, I can tell. Alright. Hand me that star wrench, please.
The what?
The star, the X-shaped wrench there. Oh yeah, those are plenty tight, and I did not even really let that impact run out. Alright, we're done. Alright. Alright, 2 sway bar links and the Alloyman 20 volt impact wrench, 1/2 inch impact wrench. I've got to say, love it, worked great. I can't wait to use this some more. But I think this thing will do the job for taking off your lug nuts and doing a lot of just common automotive repairs for you. Thanks for sticking around. Autofocus, there we go. So hun, that Alloyman impact wrench,
The what?
that Alloyman impact wrench that I just got, best tool I've never bought. I don't know why I haven't gotten one sooner. It's ridiculous with all the tools I have.
Yeah.
Best tool I've never bought though.
So can we get rid of some tools?
No, I just need more.
I would just like to give a huge shout out to my dad. Thanks for fixing my car and knowing how to be a mechanic. Thanks for sticking around, guys.